Salbonani, namhla sizayenza multiplication and division of ama numbers esiwanikwa standard form. So kumele siqale understand ama laws of indices. So we are saying when you are multiplying numbers that have got exponents sharing the same base, in this case base ngu 10. So 10 to the power a times 10 to the power b, a lo b can be any number, is equal to 10 to the power summation ka a lo b. Then 10 to the power a divided by 10 to the power b is equal to 10 to the power a minus b. When we are multiplying, we add the exponents. When we are dividing, we separate the exponents. I will show that by a simple example where we are saying 10 to the power 2 times 10 to the power 1. With 10 to the power 2, we know ukuthi 100. With 10 to the power 1, 10. These ones are easy. So 10 by 100, 10 times 100, 1000. But now we want to prove ukuthi this one you can do it using ama laws of indices, where we are saying 10 times 10 to the power 2 times 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10 to the power in brackets 2 plus 1, which is equal to 10 to the power 3. Kodwa u10 to the power 3 ngubani yena kahle kahle? U10 to the power 3 angithi ngu1000. So we add those exponents. Now when we are dividing, we separate the exponents. Let's use the same numbers. 10 to the power 2 divided by 10 to the power 1. 10 to the power 2 divided by 10 to the power 1, of which we know 10 to the power 2 100 divided by 10. I think I made a mistake. Instead of 100, I wrote 1000. And then we will then get, but the answer we know 10 to the power 2 minus 1, of which is 10 to the power 1. I just need to correct and delete 10. So it's 100 divided by 10, which is equal to 10, which is equal to 10 to the power 1. So those are the laws of indices, just expressed in just simple and straightforward examples that will make you understand the concept. Now let's have these numbers given in standard form. C is multiply. We just take out those two numbers in front and then sizifake kuma brackets. Then we also separate ezuma exponents lazo sidile lazo separate. So in this case we will have in brackets kuzaba 3 times 2 in brackets times 10 to the power, using laws of indices, 8 plus 3 since we are multiplying. So the answer to izakuba equals to 6 times 10 to the power 11. Then the next example is still multiplication of numbers. This is Nigezi standard form. In brackets, we will have 2,8 divided by 1,4. So it's 2,8 times 1,4 times 10 to the power in brackets 6 plus 2, of which the answer to ibangu the 3,92 if you use your calculator times 10 to the power 8. Then sesingena with division. Remember with division we separate the powers. So in brackets we will have those first two numbers 2,8 divided by 1,4, but we still maintain no times, closing brackets, times 10 to the power 6 minus 2, which becomes 2 times 10 to the power 4. Then le landelayo i-answer ekuqaleni uzathola 0.68 times 10 to the power minus 9. Then to express it in standard form, we're 6,8 times 10 to the power minus 10.